What's up guys, Zach Votage here, and I really just wanted to create a quick video for you. And today's video is going to be about affiliate marketing and what is affiliate marketing and kind of how you can get into a commission-based business and get started and potentially create a full-time income online, or really however much income that you desire. It's totally doable. I've made thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing and earning commissions all via online one-page websites and driving traffic, utilizing different sources of social media. And so in today's video, what I'm going to go through is how you can get yourself to $100 per day in affiliate marketing, and how to break it down, how to get started, and the key components that you need in order to get started, and how you can build, really, like I said, a full-time income, or a small $1,000 to $3,000 up to $5,000 per month in a small affiliate-based business, all online. So stay tuned and hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe below if you like it, and definitely share it with a friend if you enjoy. Thanks. Alright, so first things first, what even is affiliate marketing? What is it? How do you earn commissions? And my definition of affiliate marketing is, the best way to describe it, the best way to put it, is to give you an example of someone else that works based on commissions. Okay, an example of this would be a car salesman. Okay, they earn commissions based on the cars that they sell. Same thing for real estate agents. They're getting paid commissions. It's not network marketing, it's not a pyramid scheme. Alright, so my AC unit just randomly turned on while I was recording that video. But anyways, I'm not gonna edit or cut it out, so I'm walking inside now. But anyways, what I was saying is that car salesmen and real estate agents, they're all on affiliate-based, commission-based businesses, and affiliate marketing is not network marketing. It's not a multi-level marketing company. You're not getting paid based on bringing people in and then having those people bring more people in. It's not a pyramid scheme business. It's basically just earning commission on a sale, just like a real estate agent or a car salesman. And I'm gonna go ahead and hop on to my whiteboard so you guys can check it out, so I can break things down for you. And from that point, I want you guys to let me know what you think and enjoy. Alright guys, so like I said, I'm gonna show you guys how to get started today, like right after this video, on how you guys can get started with affiliate marketing. Find yourself an offer if you already have an audience, and go ahead and start earning some commissions, and potentially earn up to $100 a day, or at least get you started and get you on your way to that $3,000 to $5,000 per month level on passive income, which really isn't that hard. But yeah, like I said, the first thing that you want to do when you get started with affiliate marketing, you have to have an audience, or you have to have some kind of target market. So find out what kind of skills you have. Maybe you're an athlete, you're into fitness, you can train people on how to lose weight, how to get a six-pack, or maybe you're good at making memes, you can get on Instagram and start making a meme page, or maybe you're good at telling jokes, you can go viral that way. There's all different kinds of ways that you can find people that are going to watch your content, watch your audience. If you know how to play a guitar or a piano, you can teach people how to do that. So that's number one. You want to find out a skill set that you're good at, where there's a niche, and you're going to want to build an audience. So that's number one, is create an audience. And when you start to do this, you're going to want to choose a platform, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. It really doesn't matter. Just choose one of those platforms where you're going to focus on and put your content on. And the three things that you're going to want to do to grow your audience and to grow your content is, one, be consistent, post daily, weekly, whatever schedule you're going to choose. You're going to want to put out content consistently, and you're also going to want to get engagement, get people to like, comment, subscribe to your channel, follow you, and always comment and like as quick as you upload content. Even if it's just a couple people, that's how you're going to grow. You've got to get people engaged and got to get them onto your page, and that's how you're going to get more and more eyeballs looking at your stuff. Okay, so number two, once you have a small audience, a couple hundred people, subscribers, followers, or whatever, then what you're going to want to do is start building that relationship with them. Start connecting with them, start asking them questions, hey, what do you guys want to see more of? What do you guys want to learn more of? Ask those kinds of questions, and then start providing for them. start giving them what they want, what they need, what's going to help them accelerate to their success or help accomplish their goals and help them get to that next level. And that's when you can really start to monetize, when you start building that trust, respect, and rapport. And once you do that, once you have that rapport and they trust you, they respect you, they know that you know what you're talking about and they believe you, then they'll be willing to pay you for services or products. And once you do that, the next thing you're going to want to do is find an affiliate offer. Okay, and this really isn't very hard to find one, but it is hard. It's not very hard to find an affiliate offer, but it is hard to find a good one that fits your niche and that people are going to be happy that they bought from you through your link. And I'm not going to just show you guys, basic ClickBank stuff. I can show you how to get better affiliate offers for that. Go ahead and try and get in contact with me. I'll leave my Instagram, Facebook below, and reach out to me if you want to get access to better, more quality content offers that you want to promote to your email list or audience, whatever it is. And once you find an offer, then you're going to want to build an opt-in page. Okay, what's an opt-in page? An opt-in page is a one-page website where you're going to collect your audience's information. You're going to collect their email in exchange for whatever you're giving them. Maybe it's a free video on how to get a six-pack or how to lose 10 pounds in 2 weeks. Okay, so you're gonna offer them something for free, and they're gonna exchange their email to you, so that way you have their email and they get a value video or training video. Okay, so this is gonna be collect emails. Okay, because that way the money's in the follow-up. And once they subscribe to your email list, then you can reach out to them as much as you want, as often as you want. You can promote other affiliate offers. You could create your own products, sell them your own products. And that's when you can really start creating passive income with them. You can have them subscribe to a subscription where you earn commissions. And that's like the money's in the list. Okay, so this is a really, really powerful piece right here. Guys, now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna draw a graphical representation for you guys, kind of just paint the picture for you. I know people learn different ways, so hopefully this kind of helps you guys understand what the whole funnel is gonna look like. Okay, so number one, what you're gonna have over here is your opt-in page, right? Opt-in page. That's your one-page website. That's your squeeze page, your landing page. Those are a couple different names for it. And what you're going to do, your audience is over here, and you're going to be driving traffic, right? Okay, what I mean by traffic is you're going to be driving visitors to that one-page website via YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever platform you're using, whatever platform that you're growing your face on, your content on, your brand on, whatever it is. You're going to use that platform to go ahead and drive link clicks to this one-page website. All right. So once someone opts in, when they give you their email, then they're going to be taken to a thank you page, right? Thank you page is on the back end of the opt-in page. And here you can have a short video, short training video, a thank you video, like thank you for subscribing. I look forward to working with you. And now they're on your email list. Okay, so this is where stuff gets really good. So like from this point on, you can start sending them value, content, training videos, right? And emails. Or this is like through emails. Okay, so now you're emailing them, driving them back to your website, or back to your YouTube channel, or back to your whatever platform you're on, so they can start following you more consistently, seeing what you're doing, and this is how you really build that relationship with them. So it's all in the follow-up, and that's what this is all about, is the follow-up, building that relationship, and that way at some point in time you can sell them on whatever your niche is. And that's pretty much it. That's the graphical representation. So here's your audience over here. You're driving your audience to your opt-in page. You have an affiliate offer. You can either throw it in on here on the thank you page, have a small, a small offer. I'd say something less than 50 bucks will convert pretty well. Otherwise, it's probably not going to convert well since these people just found out about you and they don't really know you very well. But once you start sending them value content and videos via email and building that relationship, and once they start finding out a little bit more about you and your story, then you can start sending them to webinars and selling products for $1,000 or $2,000. And that's where you can really make the big bucks in affiliate marketing. So how do we get you to $100 a day? All right, let's break it down with simple mathematics, okay? So $100 a day comes out to about $3 grand a month, right? And it's really not that hard to build a $3,000 per month service or product-based affiliate business. All right, so if you want to have a $3,000 per month business, if you break it down by the numbers, that's only 10 sales of a $300 product, right? It's not like 10 sales is not very much at all, or a $300 commission. So if you're selling a product, you're getting 50% commissions because you're an affiliate, then that's selling 10 sales of a $600 product. You're going to get $300 for each one that you sell. 300 times 10 is $3 grand. All right, or you can create a subscription-based business where you can charge $50 a month, okay? And that means you would need 60 people to sign up, or 60 clients. And 60 clients isn't very hard to get either, Like I said, all you have to do is drive the traffic from your audience, drive those people to the opt-in page, and if you're offering enough value and if you're offering them quality content that's going to help them either solve their problem or help them accelerate their success and achieve goals, whether it's losing weight, learning how to play guitar better, or whatever niche that you're in, if you can really teach them or give them a course or a product that you're an affiliate for that's really going to help them out, then it's really not going to be hard to get 60 clients paying 50 bucks a month. Because especially when you start uploading viral videos and viral content on your social media platforms. So that's how you get started. What you want to do, whatever your goal is, maybe it's $5 grand a month, whatever it is. You want to break down the numbers like this, so you know like what you need to hit, how many people you need to get into your group or in your coaching program, consulting program, whatever you want to call it. And once you have that figured out, that's just the first step. And then it all starts from there. But you have to know what you're doing, what you're getting yourself into, and how you're going to do it before you even get started. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got some content and learned something from it. If you did, make sure you leave a comment below, give me a like, a thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll see you guys on the next video.